Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to set up a blog option in Odoo. Let's get started. Well, Odoo is extremely dynamic and it allows you to have lots of flexibility by using the different modules that are available. Here, I'll be showing you on how to work with blogs. Well, blog options come in handy when you want to share with people how you feel or the different ways to interact with your website. You can share stories, you can share success, you can share highlights, and even make it more robust as a website that holds information of current events. Well, to make sure that is possible, you need to ensure that your website module is activated in Odoo. If you want that to happen, you'll navigate into the Apps section, and on the search area, you will search website. Now, when you search the website option, you can notice that my website option is already installed. So that means it's okay. And then not to forget, you'll need to have your blog option also installed. I've already installed my blog module and I've also installed my website module. So I'll navigate back into my dash area and I'll select website. So if I click on this website option, Odoo will allow me to set up a very interactive website depending on the theme of choice. So in here, there is already a default one that has been set up with a default theme. And if you want to change this theme option, you'll navigate into the edit option at the very top right corner. And from the theme section, you can install and set up a theme of your choice from the switch theme option. Now you'll notice that, I'll just close that. You will notice that in this website that I'm currently using, I have a number of menus up here. I have the home menu, event menu, shop, among many others. Blogs are usually the news sections that allows you to just interact and share with the people what you love. If I navigate into the news option, you'll notice from the bottom left of my site, this is a blog page. And I'll just click on it to show you that. So it tells me this is a blog post area. However, there's nothing that has already been added in here. So I'll want first of all to add a new blog post. So I'll navigate to the top right area where we close to the edit option and I'll select new. From the new option, I can set up a new page, I can set up a new product, a new forum, a new job, a new live chat widget, and many others that can show on your screen depending on the number of modules that you have installed. My aim is to work with a blog post, so I'll select blog. So on the blog area, I will select the blog, which is definitely the news area, which is my blog, and the title of the post I like to have. So in the title area, I may type something like how to bake a cake, and I'll select save option. Once I select the save option, the blog post with the title how to bake a cake will show up, and now it will require me to populate the body using all the available elements on the blog sections here on the right panel. In example here, I can type an intro of how to bake a cake as a blog post. I'll enter ingredients there and I'll say flour, 1 cup, and then I'll enter all the other items that I need just to make sure that my blog is populated. I can also include the blog section by navigating into the blog area, and if I need an image, just drag and find a location where that image fits. If I find this to be the right location, I'll just release my pointer and this specific blog comes in here. I can also click to edit some of these default texts so that they look exactly how I'll prefer. I can delete the term activities and type cake, and then in here I can also modify that depending on how I prefer. With the text selection options, I can select the sizes, I can select the font just to make sure that my site looks exactly the way I will prefer. Remember, blocks come in handy to help you navigate and create posts or options without necessarily coding from scratch. I can select the numbers option and drag it in here and say these are the number of beautiful people that I have served. I can also select a parallax image or carousel image at the top to show you how beautiful my cake will look like, and maybe drop it at the top section here. And you can tell it even has a scroll option that allows you to move right or left. Editing these now becomes very easy just by selecting on that area or block that you have created. Edit option do appear that allows you to edit the text, the slider, and the images, the color scheme, and all the fancy features of this specific block area. Once you're done populating your page in your blog, you will navigate into the blog section area at the top right location and select Save. Once you save, this is how your blog will look like. Remember, you can notice at the top section, I have not really published this page. So to do this page justice so that everyone else can see, I'll click on the publication option to make it a published site. So to remove all these options, I just click into my news area, open the link in a new tab, and voila, my blog on how to bake a cake has just been incorporated in here. I can click on that how to bake a cake option and read through the blog, clicking on the different interactive objects within this page. Awesome, don't you think? Great. So once you have included all the elements into that page and you have a feeling that, well, it doesn't look quite good and you like to add more options, you'll navigate to the top left location on the editor option to open this page in editor mode. Once in editor mode, you'll have the ability to interact with the edit option on the top right location, which includes the different blocks that are there and the customizations that you can use to make your site look wonderful. Well, I believe you enjoyed following along on how to work with blogs in Odoo. I'll see you in the next nugget.